Hey everyone, Cruzo here. Got another Minecraft tutorial for you here. We're looking at how to build this sugarcane farm, and this one here is a very efficient design, as well as it's smaller and easier on redstone than other designs out there. And you'll notice that the main thing with this is that the pistons here only have a one gap between them rather than having three for the center line, then redstone torches or repeaters off to it. So it's a little nicer in that sense. So you can see here it's just a single activation and all your drops will come down. And another thing you may notice is that the water stream here is of the same level as the bottom row of sugarcane, and this is just to make sure that any drops that fall along the edge here are caught and pulled into the water stream as well. So you can see here we have 32, so, and there's the last one, so that's a total of 32 because we had one in our inventory below, so that's a full harvest. In this tutorial I'll also show you how to hook up a bud switch to this, so that will allow for when this back one here goes to its full height, that will automatically harvest. And you can also increase the efficiency of this farm even further by using sticky pistons with a row of blocks, and this will ensure that all the drops will be collected, and this one here will be about 99.9% efficient, simply because you'll get the maybe one drop every now and again that won't fall into the water stream, but most of the time you'll get your full collection. And I'll also show how to build the bud switch on the back of this one here. I won't go into how to build this double wide or this deeper model. However, if there's enough interest in having a tutorial for them, I'll gladly make one. So if you are interested in it, please leave a comment down below, and if I get enough interest, I will make the tutorials for these. Also, if you're interested in how this works to get it down to one wide, I will also put a link in the description down below for that, as well as a world download once I am done. So let's get into building the basic model here as shown. Alright, so to start building this, you're going to need a 9 by 9 area, and if you want to use the sticky pistons, you're going to need to go 11 wide by 9 deep. So to get started, we're going to put the outer wall, you want to go 3 high here. Oops. Alright, so once you're done the outer wall, you then want to put a row of redstone down the middle, and you want to dig out a trench on each side of the redstone. If you are building the version with the sticky pistons, you'll want to leave a row of blocks and then move the trench out just one, so you have redstone, row of blocks, and then your trench. So the next thing we're going to do is put 2 sets of blocks on top of the redstone here, the whole length, and then you want to put a row of redstone along the top. The next thing you want to do is put pistons down both sides here. Alright, after you're done that, you want to put water in these trenches here. And this will be to provide the irrigation for the sugar cane. I'm just going to drop some dirt in here. So now we'll plant our sugar cane here on both sides. And finally you want to put a block of water at the very end. So now we're going to want to start building the water channels for collection. So to do this, you want to come out to like this. You want to be directly in front of this block just in case you have a piece that's caught up just on the edge of the water stream. It'll still pull it in. Then you want to come out so you don't make contact with this water stream here. and then you can join these together. And then take out the one block below the water source here, and it will flow in, and you can just bring your channel out. The next thing is to hook up the redstone. So to do this, you want to put a block here, piece of glowstone, and then you're going to need one block diagonal from the glowstone like this. You're going to want to put a redstone torch here, a repeater just in front of it. Come up here and put a repeater on 2 ticks, and 2 pieces of redstone, and a button, or if you want to hook up a pressure plate you can do that, or tripwire, whatever you want, and then you just simply hit the button and it will activate, and that's all there is to this. So next we'll put a bud switch onto this. Alright, so to build the bud switch you don't want to build any of this front button piece here. Instead you want to come to the back side here and knock out the center top and bottom button, or blocks I mean. Put a repeater here and a repeater on 2 ticks here. You then want to put glowstone block here diagonal, put your redstone torch and redstone dust on top, just like with the front. You then want to find the block right behind the sugarcane and knock that out, and put a sticky piston there facing out. Put a block in front of that, and then come out one more block, so you'll be 2 out from the wall. Put a block down with a redstone torch on top. You then want to put a block next to that with a repeater on top, just at the 1. You then want to put a block on top of the redstone here, and if you'll see that this looks disconnected, but it still is, you'll still get power through the glowstone. You then want to put a redstone torch on this side here, a block on top, come out like this, and then come out total of 4 like that, so you're directly above the block that's attached to the piston. You then want to put 3 repeaters, all set to max delay here, and this will act as the timer so the pistons stay out a long enough time to ensure better efficiency. And then put a block, piece of redstone dust on top of that. You can see if I grab some sugarcane here and put it on top here, it activates and causes it to harvest. So next I'll show you how to build the bud switch for the version with the sticky pistons and blocks. Alright, so for the sticky piston version, it's going to be very similar. You're still going to knock out the center, top, and bottom blocks and put in your repeaters. Bottom set to 1, top set to 2, with your glowstone and block diagonal to the glowstone, the redstone torch, and the redstone dust on top. And you're going to locate the sugarcane again and knock out that block and put the sticky piston in again, with the block on the front, and then you're going to come out 1 again and put the redstone torch down, and then you're going to come out 2 blocks, put a redstone dust there, repeater, block above the redstone dust here, redstone torch, and then you're going to put 2 blocks coming towards the farm like so, and then put 4 blocks starting on top of the block connected to the piston, 3 repeaters, set the max delay again, and then a piece of redstone dust here and 2 here, and that's it for the sticky piston version. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and the favorite button if you could, and hit that subscribe button would also be very helpful. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.